Hello everyone, today we learn how to color the cocoa butter with different color and what is the right recipe to make your cocoa butter shiny and all difference between the dark color and light color. In this video you learn everything you need to know and how many layer you have to do with all this fantastic chocolate world. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis, pastry champion of Africa 2011, president of Egyptian team in World Pastry Cup 5 times. In my video you will find everything is so simple. We have a standard recipe: 200 gram cocoa butter, 200 gram cacao butter or cocoa butter, then we melted in medium heat. And very important, when you melt the cocoa butter you must take the temperature, because if you increase the cocoa butter over than 50 you lose everything. So when I have third is not melted, I remove like 2/3 of the quantity melted, I remove out of the fire, then I start stir with a thermometer until I find 45 till 49 degree. When I have over 45, 200 gram cacao butter, I added 20 gram yellow color. And the chocolate have, as you know, special kind of fat color. You cannot use the pastry color to color the chocolate. And second step, you must use hand blender or Thermomix, whatever you find, but minimum 3 hour stirring, and that to emulsify the color with the cocoa butter. Minimum 2.5 minutes. Then we strain in some container, whatever you use. And that not enough. This you keep aside until set or crystallize. And then we use 200 cocoa butter, 20 gram of red color. In this video, you will see the difference between dark red and light red, or blood red and strawberry red. In beginning, 200 gram melted butter, 48 degree, 20 gram of red color, chocolate red color. And after 3 minutes, we divide it. 100 gram in one container, 100 gram in one container. Then one container I added 1 gram titanium oxide or white color on top of the same chocolate color. You can see the color now becomes more shiny and the strawberry, we can say. This is two kind of the same color. Just the color with white drop 1 gram and this only red color. See the difference. And you can use this method for all kind of color: yellow, green, blue, whatever you want. So you can make it just dark if you put color with cocoa butter, or the color you want, example red or green with pinch of white, and that give you more lighter. Here, how to spray white color. So 200 gram cacao butter, I don't add it 10 gram of titanium oxide, because titanium oxide or white color is so difficult if I put 10. So I added 7 gram, then I see the color, then I added 8 gram, maximum it will take 9 gram of white powder or titanium oxide. Then I strain in the container, I cover it when I need to use. One other thing I would like to tell you, this green color, 200 gram melted cacao butter, 18 gram of yellow chocolate color, 2 grams of green of blue color, because sometimes you cannot find the green. So 2 grams of blue color, 18 gram of yellow color, and 1 gram of white color, and that makes green pistachio or green color. So this white gram, 1 gram only. So the recipe again: 200 gram melted butter, 45-48 centigrade, 18 gram yellow color, 2 gram blue color, 1 gram of white color, and now we have green blunt color. We strain and keep container. Actually, I do this once a month. I make all kind of color I need. I keep aside. When I use it, I just reheat. So when I spray a lot of color, you can see there is debris left over. I collect all this cocoa butter color, as you see, and then I melted, and then I added 3 gram of dark or black color, and I have my own black color. So there is no wastage of cocoa butter because it's expensive, as you know. So I collect all left over, I melted, then I added 1 gram of dark or black color, then I mix it, maybe need 1 gram more, maybe need 2 gram more, until I satisfied with the color I want. So normally I don't make black color unless I have all left over. But if you want to make only dark color, you melt 200 gram 100 gram cacao butter, 45 degree. Then I added 10 gram of black color. You can see 8, 9, 10. 10 gram of black color, 100 gram cacao butter, and then I use the hand blender, and you can have all type of color you want. So very important to know the temperature of spraying. When I need any quantity of color, I bring it back to microwave, or I can use bain-marie. Then I take example black color. Then I must tempering for 29 centigrade. This is the best or ideal temperature to spray the chocolate. You can see this is plain black, and now you have all techniques how to make red color, green color, blue color, red color, and you must make one layer of red color, then you cover it with white cacao butter, and then you can add your black chocolate. I hope you learned something in this video. Please, if you like the video, share with your friend, leave comment for us, let us know what kind of chocolate you want to learn. As my father always say, don't work harder, just work smarter. Ahmad Yunus.